Hello, Mr. CEO. I am Ankit Gupta from ESW Capital, and I hope you are doing well. As you're aware about our meeting purpose is to let you aware or to know the way ESW works. Uh, Sir, we are aware of your relationship with the XYZ company are long and strong, and I believe this will go stronger by every passing day, no matter who is handling the management, of course. Let me tell you the few things about ESW. Sir, we do not acquire any company easily. This particular deal with XYZ company took a year, of course, or maybe more than a year, because we check every single step that took by the company whom or which we are going to acquire in the past. So what they were doing, how they were doing, and was that the best practice that they were doing, or there are possibilities to make it better, everything. So, and now actually I proudly say that we hardly find any changes to make in the existing company you are customer of, and believe me, we won't make much changes in the existing services. But yes, I would like to add, in fact we as ESW would like to add on something, and this is for existing customers especially. uh, these add-on services will be available on the whenever you renew your contract with the company. uh, Let me put this way that this is like uh, you know you are having the services which you are having right now, plus we are uh, you know serving you a bit extra. We are trying to serve you extra, and since this is the first time we are into, this is a kind of a introduction offer, you can say. We are serving for the first time to any company, so that is why that is on very nominal charges. So do not hesitate, or you know or do not hesitate to ask, or to if you have any doubt or any query, you can come up anytime, and you can shoot an email anytime. You can ask me, you can approach me at any time. I'm just want to put you, just quote this example over here of the company Coca-Cola. This company, we all know this beverage company, it's a very famous company, right? So this company have this, what to say, this company is pretty old and started as serving, or in the market the only product which is served as Coca-Cola, the simple cold drink. Now what they have one diet and one zero sugar, and there are more brands they have add-on like Sprite and more. So what I mean to say is, to get those extra, these extra products, we have to pay them extra. We have to pay Coke extra. Similarly, we are serving you the same services what you are getting now, plus add-on services we are adding on, and which are on, of course, on nominal charges. So that is all from my side. I hope you would like to continue with the company, with the same belief, with the same emotions. We believe in a long-term business relation, and we hope to see you on the board always. It's really nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Thank you.